In the position vectors of A, B, C are given as minus 2i plus j minus k, minus 4i plus 2j plus 2k, and 6i minus 3j minus 13k respectively. Then prove that the points A, B, C are collinear. So we know that 3 points A, B, C are collinear. The 3 points A, B, C are collinear. So you have to find AB vector and AC vector, and you can prove that AB vector equal to scalar multiple of AC, or we can prove AC vector equal to T into AB vector. What is T? Where T is any scalar. T is any scalar. That means you have to find AB vector and AC vector and check the one vector is scalar multiple of other vector or not. So let us solve the question in the next page. So now they are given 3 position vectors are given. You can assume each vector as OA is minus 2y minus 2j minus k, and OB vector is minus 4i plus 2j plus 2k, and OC vector is 6i minus 3j minus 13k. You got it here. So now here first find AB vector. AB vector is OB vector minus OA vector. So OB vector, OB is what? Minus 4i 2j plus 2k minus of 2y plus j minus k. So now this is minus 4i plus 2j plus 2k plus 2y minus j minus of minus plus k capital. So finally we got AB vector as minus 4i plus 2y, that gives minus 2y, plus 2j minus j, that means minus j, plus 3k cap. Come here, this is AB vector. The same manner you can find AC vector. AC means nothing but OC minus OA. What is OC? OC is 6i minus 3j minus 13k, and minus of OA. Already done. Minus of OA means if you take minus of OA, so if you multiply with minus 2i minus j plus k, the similar manner what we did from previous. So this is 8i cap minus 4j cap plus minus 12k cap. That means you got AC bar as 8i cap minus 4j cap minus 12k cap. You got it. Yes, let us observe. AB bar you got minus 2i plus j plus 3k. AC bar you got minus 8i minus 4j, so plus 8i minus 4j minus 12k. You got it here. So I will take next page and final conclusion you can write. So what you get? AB bar vector as AB bar we got as minus 2i plus j plus 3k, and AC bar we got as 8i minus 4j cap minus 12k cap got. So you can take something common from AC. So what is common here? If I take to get AB, if I take minus 4 common from AC, this give minus 2i plus j plus 3k cap. So this is nothing but AC bar equal to minus 4 into AB bar. So what you can say? You can say that the vectors AC, AB are collinear. That implies 3 points. 3 points A comma B comma C are collinear. This is the concept of solving. And there is a second method to find. After getting AB and AC, we have 3 points are collinear, means you can take ratio concept out to A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. This is a second method. Method 2. So that means once you get AB and AC and take the ratio concept. Take the ratio concept. So what is the ratio concept here? What is x coefficient? I coefficient minus 2. I component minus 2. Here I component 8. That is minus 2 by 8. And j component 1 by minus 4. And k component 3 by minus 12. So where ratio is minus 1 by 4, equal to minus 1 by 4. You can take 3 ones, 3 fours cancel, minus 1 by 4. That means A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. In this case, we say that same condition you can write AC, AB are collinear. That implies the points also collinear. A, B, C are collinear, you can put it. That means you can use any method. Once you get A, B and AC, you can go for scalar multiple concept or ratio concept you can use to get the proof of the 3 points are collinear. This is the most important problem for 3 marks in PU.